Hello, today I would like to show another demo how to run OpenVino with Intel SGX using SCONE. So typically this demo is very similar with the previous demo. However, I will show another example, and the example I want to show here is about the interactive phase detection. This application I also download in the official repository of OpenVino. So it will show how to perform the live inference using OpenVino, and this inference application is run inside Intel SGX enclave using SCONE. So let's get started. So I prepare like before, I prepare a Docker image that already is installed OpenVino and SCONE. And basically what we need to do is run the container and go to the demo repository, and the input will contain of model. So first step, we need to encrypt the input because when we deploy in a public cloud or in untrusted cloud, is the attacker with the privileged access, let's say root access, can steal the model and the input data. Because the input data, if you can see here, is plain text. Basically we can read it. So to encrypt the input, we use the SCONE file system shield, and I prepare a script here. Like in period demo, I will create the encrypted input and try to encrypt all input and put the encrypted result in the encrypted input folder. So let's run it. And if you take a look now in the result, we have encrypted result, we have the model before, now it's random text. Basically we cannot read anything here. And to decrypt and process the data using this model, typically we need to get the secret key from a component in SCONE called cache. But for this demo, I will show a very simple way to get the key. So basically we get the key of the key from the environment variable. But in production, we need to deploy cache to get the key. Okay. So after encrypt the input, we need to run the application, OpenVino application, with the Intel SGX. And how to do that? So to do that using SCONE is quite simple. Basically we need to use the SCONE crowd compiler and compile your application, and it automatically will run with Intel SGX. So we need to export the our compiler. So we use SCONE GCC instead of GCC, and we use the SCONE Z++ instead of Z++, and we go and we compile it. I prepare the compile script here, and it's the same. All step here is the same when we compile the native OpenVino application. Nothing changed. So basically, after export our CROT compiler, we just run the compile process. So everything is done, and if you take a look, the compiling stop, the binary after the compiling has been interact demo. It will link to the SCONE libc instead of maso libc. So by doing this way, it automatically run with the SCONE and run inside of Intel SGX. So let's test it. I prepare a script to how to run this demo. So basically, it is the content of the run script. I just copy of the command here and run it. And as you can see, the input data is the from camera, is laptop, from my laptop for the demo, and the input model is from encrypted input. So all the model here is encrypted, have been encrypted, and let's run it. As you can see, the application run inside the Intel